Thought alone cannot find form. The feeling sets it free. Without desire behind the idea, nothing moves with certainty. What carries warmth and meaning finds a way to stay alive. When intention joins with care, creation starts to rise. Cold ideas lose their motion. Force dissolves and falls apart. Every challenge softens shade. The love becomes the guide. Opposition moves destruction when resistance steps aside. This principle stands everywhere. No system stands apart. What unifies and strengthens all begins where feelings start. Desire stay clear. Love moves thought into creation and dissolves every fear.